I'm Becky.
And I'm Pete.
And we are Acre Farms, Leander's only urban farm.
Just walking distance from Old Town Leander. We're just finishing up our 2017 season, and we're going to be pushing that into 2018 with our 2018 CSA. Becky, you want to tell them what a CSA is?
CSA is a community-supported agriculture. It allows for city residents to have access to freshly grown produce. And how more freshly grown can you get than actually being local and urban right in your backyard?
Well, for 2018 you can get real fresh, and we're talking about delivery of fresh produce. Pick the day of or the day before.
And that's on a weekly basis. I'm excited about it. We're excited to announce our 2018 CSA. We'll be opening up today with an early bird special that's going to last until 11:59 p.m. on December 24th.
2018 is underway. Starting today, it goes to December 24th. Good for Christmas presents, gift baskets, if you just want to forward it to a friend, that'll work. So on top of all the benefits, we're going to go one more on top of that. We're going to give a $25 discount for a half-season basket and $100 for a full-season purchase. So you can find that information at ioacrefarms.com.
From our family to yours,
Happy Thanksgiving!
And go check out ioacrefarms.com/CSA and join our CSA. See you in 2018. We look forward to growing your vegetables for you.